Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 45 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this iconic 1/8 scale car, and who wouldn't, it is after all the post-apocalyptic edition, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can have one of these on your bench. So let's have a quick scoot through today's magazine and then we'll see what we're going to be up to, folks. Right. Stage 45 is the side exhaust pipes, and we're going to be coming out underneath the rear window of the car there, like so, okay? So we've got the inner exhaust pipes right-hand side, the outer exhaust pipes on the right-hand side, and 4 screws, folks, okay? So let's take the inner and outer parts, hold the inner, and we're going to go tilty through underneath this little bar, so we'll pay attention to that when we get there. We'll then fasten these together with a couple of screws in there, 1 there and 2 in there, okay? And then this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks, okay? That's the exhaust bank sitting there rather nicely. Next up, we got the 1965 Ford Falcon XB, and this saw the Australian Falcon finally come of age as Ford started to win fleet sales back from arch rival Holden with the aid of bold but risky publicity stunt. Yes, folks. Massive rivalry down under Ford v Holden. You was either one or the other. You couldn't be both. And there you go. Loads of information there on what the car did and how it did it. Okay. That's the magazine done. So we'll put this to one side. We'll come back and we'll start a bit of assembly for you, folks. Okay. All right. Pop a bit of oil on this ready. Like that. And then we can have a look at our exhausts. So that's how they arrive, folks. Looking rather sexy, aren't they? And we are going down underneath that bar. Okay, can you see that? And then that bar then is going to rest in there, and that will enable the top part of the exhaust then to drop on top of here. Okay, so whilst I've got that pinched, I'm going to put my first screw in just up on there. A couple of turns is all I'm doing on each of these until I've got it where it needs to live. Then we can go around and fully tighten them, folks, okay? Same on that one. And then grab the last one. Like so. And then whilst holding that with our fingers and thumb, we can now pinch those pipes together and secure that bracket. Again, don't over tighten because you'll shear the thread off in the plastic. Give that a pinch. Line the screwdriver up. Like so. So that gives us that. And I must admit, they do look rather sexy, don't they? Look at that lot. We've got another 4 of these to go on the other side, folks. Look at that. Oh. So yeah, all day long, folks. So that's them pipes in, sorted and dusted. So that's us done for today, folks. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these Ford Falcons, head over to Hachette's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these on your benches, folks. Also, to help me out, if you give a little Festa a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.